Welcome. Today we are looking at the BC2 wireless indoor security camera. This was very kindly sent out to me. They did not ask me to say anything in particular, neither was I paid for this review. If you want to pick this up, click the first link in the description box below. If you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section and subscribe to watch more reviews. This runs on their own app. The app is available in the App Store and Google Play. Some information on this side: two-way audio, night vision up to 5 meters. You could link this up to Google or Amazon. Local storage, micro SD card up to 256 GB, or you could use their cloud storage. It's free for 7 days and then you have to pay for it after that. Some more information on this side: it has a rechargeable battery. It says you will get up to 50 days of usage before you need to recharge the camera, but that depends on how much motion you are getting. 1080p resolution, and it has a magnetic base. Paperwork, magnetic mount. I'm really impressed with the size of this camera, and it's full 1080p as well. So we get a micro USB charging cable, some screws and wall plugs if you want to mount the camera, mounting base if you don't want to use the screws. As I mentioned, the camera is 1080p. It has human motion detection. It has 100 degrees field of view lens. We've got the microphone there, status light, that's the PIR sensor. Speaker at the top, nothing on the side. Some branding on this side. At the bottom, that's where the QR code is. You'll need the QR code when you link the camera to the app. At the back, reset button, micro SD card slot, charging port, and power button. It does have a strong magnet to it, that. I already have the app because I have reviewed one of the other cameras. I will link that down below as well if you want to watch that. Let's turn the camera on. Turn the camera on. The status indicator.
Successful.
So if I go into the app, go to the plus icon, camera, allow. I need to scan the QR code at the bottom. This runs on the 2.4 gigahertz. The indicator is flashing. I'll just put my router and my password details in off camera. Connect. Connection successful. Magnet.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait.
Okay, office. Next. It's connecting.
Wi-Fi connected. Platform registration successful. Configuration complete. Welcome to EZIVZ.
There we are connected. That was really quick, that. Just put that there. I need to pick a password. Just quickly do that off camera. We have some options at the bottom. Snapshot, record, talk, definition. So we've got full HD, high def or standard. If I click on the gear cog, we've got working mode. We've already seen that before. Intelligent detection, human shape detection. You can pick the sensitivity, the detection zone as well. Clicked on that, let it open. Then you could select it, it will turn orange. That part's the detection zone. Anything that's out of that, it won't send me a notification, but anything within the orange part, it will send me a notification. The notifications, they will come up in here. Audio, image, if you click on that, original soft and stuff. with that. Got light. So a little status light, you could turn that off if you want. If you were going to put this in your window facing outwards, you could turn that light off. Battery is 54%. Cloud storage, I don't have that. Record list. Memory card. I don't have a memory card in at the moment as well. That's cloud storage. As I mentioned before, you get 7 days free, and then after that you'll have to pay for it if you want cloud storage, or you could just use a micro SD card up to 256 GB. Security, network, information. And then we have share the device. So if family and guests, you could share it with them as well. And delete device. Okay, let's have a look at some daytime and nighttime footage. The audio you are about to hear now is coming straight out of the camera. I haven't made any adjustments to it. This is the nighttime quality of this camera. I can't believe for its size it has good image quality, full 1080p. Although the image quality you guys are going to see will be slightly reduced because YouTube add their own compression to the file. I have reviewed one of the other camera and I mentioned in that video that their app is really good. It's really simple to use. I really like this camera. I will link it down below if you want to pick it up. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, a like would be appreciated. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.